Connect the body sculpting device to the power cord. Press the on-off button to switch on or off your device. Press LED to choose your desired light mode. Blue LED light is antibacterial and helps reduce pimples, inflammation, and scars. It clears skin rashes and heals the skin. Red LED light is for anti-aging. It stimulates blood circulation to smooth over wrinkles. It also improves pigmentation and shrinks pore size. You may combine blue or red LED light with the positive or negative ion settings. Use ion negative to maximize pushing product in. We recommend using our anti-cellulite firming body gel with this setting. This gel treats cellulite, the appearance of dimples are visibly reduced, it boosts skin's firmness, and it provides intense nutrition, nourishment, and moisturization. Press ion positive to pull toxins out and eliminate dirt. This setting diminishes body acne. You may also combine Sonic with these settings for slimming benefits. This setting breaks down body fat, flushes lymphatic drainage, and stimulates blood circulation. Just to quickly recap on everything we just covered for your Winglim settings, you're going to first choose your LED setting, either red or blue, and then you're going to choose your ion setting, either positive or negative. And last, you'll choose your Sonic setting, plus choose the intensity. We recommend using the Winglim device 3 times a week. Apply to each area for 3 to 6 minutes. The Winglim device also comes with gloves and massage pads, which are designed to be used with the EMS electric muscle stimulation function. This function stimulates your muscles with low-level electrical currents, allowing them to contract. It stimulates blood circulation, oxygen supply, improves skin elasticity and firmness. When using this mode, the metal head should never make direct contact with your skin. You may use the EMS function with either the massage pads or gloves. Connect one end of the EMS wire to the pads and the other end to the device. Remove the protective film and stick both pads onto your desired application area. Do not overlap the pads. Choose your desired EMS mode. Each mode provides different electrical impulse waves. Select desired EMS intensity level on the right side of the device. For lighter pressure, use the gloves. You may use the gloves on both the face and the body. For body treatments, we recommend using the gloves with our Sea Treasure Hot Slimming Cream to tighten the skin and increase blood circulation for toxins to flush out. And for the face, we recommend using our Intensive Repair Day Cream to hydrate, lift, and tighten the skin.